Hello everyone, I'm Anime Otaku 56 and today I want to share with you some of the some dark secrets, some crazy secrets, things that people might say that are untrue, but when you look at the facts and all of the research that's been done, it comes out to be true. But yeah, there's this big conspiracy going on. I don't know if you guys know this, but there's been stuff going on. It's been crazy. And things have been happening in this world that normal people might not see. And I want to share with you guys what's been going on and what's been happening in the world. Or, well, not just the world, our universe, because this isn't just an Earth thing. It's a whole universe, multiverse, multidimensional thing. And you guys are obligated to know what's been going on. So I think I'll just share with you things that have been going on in this world and what's been happening. There are things that live among us. You might know them. You might think that you're related to them. They might be acting as your parent, your brother, your sister, anyone in your family, really. There's one of them. No, you might be asking, Anime Otaku 56, what are those? What is been going on? Well, I'd hate to share this with you guys, but I have to tell you guys the truth. It's vegetarians. Now, you might be thinking, what do vegetarians have to do with anything? And I'm about to unveil the hidden truth that has been, let's say, brought under and put under wraps by our government as a way to hide it from us, I guess. To make us not panic and not go on a raging spree to murder all of them. But the vegetarians are causing global warming. Now, you might think this is crazy, but wait until you hear what's been going on. Now, vegetarians, they don't eat meat, right? They don't. That's what a vegetarian is. And vegans, too, don't eat meat. So, what does that have to do with anything? Well, vegetarians eat up all the trees and all the grass and the things that produce oxygen, things that go through photosynthesis. Now, for those of you that don't know what photosynthesis is plants taking in sunlight and carbon dioxide from our atmosphere and, well, from our sun, converting it into glucose and oxygen for them to, live. Now, the vegetarians are eating those, and they're not eating those, and they're letting the pigs and the cows live. And cows and pigs produce a large quantity of methane. Now, you might be saying, what does that have to do with anything? Well, if you don't know, methane is one of the strongest and one of the worst greenhouse gases that is affecting our planet right now. And it causes a lot of harm to our planet. And they're letting these things that cause a lot of harm to our atmosphere and to the people and things on this planet. Now, you're like, but vegetarians are people too, so why would they do this? Well, vegetarians aren't people. They're actually plant, I want to say humanoids, plantanoids, that take the shape of humans and try to integrate them into our society so that they can make it seem natural what they're doing, but it's not natural. But then you're like, but if they're plants, why are they eating the plants? Well, plantoids and plants aren't the same. They might constitute the same thing, but they are not the same. You have to think about it this way. The plantoids need other plants to live, to survive. But plants need oxygen, well, sunlight and carbon dioxide to live. But the plantoids are kind of like Venus flytraps for flies. Oh, they're like the Venus flytraps of plants. They eat the plants to live like Venus flytraps eat flies, so they don't really do photosynthesis. They do more of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is something that all living things do. It is turning oxygen and glucose into energy and carbon dioxide. Now, the plantoids, the vegetarians, the vegans, they don't eat Venus flytraps. They don't. Because Venus flytraps contribute to their cause. They have a deal with the Venus flytraps. The Venus flytraps are like millions of years ago when things just started happening. They made a deal with the Venus flytraps, and the Venus flytraps they do cellular respiration instead of photosynthesis, so that they can stay alive, being kept from being absorbed by the vegetarians, vegans, or plantoids, whatever you want to call them. But they're letting them stay alive so that they produce carbon dioxide. Now, you might be wondering, why would they do such a thing? And I'll go more in depth into the reasonings why in a later video, in a later time slot, because this goes pretty deep. This isn't just a Earth thing. It's a universe thing. It happens all across the universe. This isn't just our Earth thing. It's a universe thing. It happens all across the universe. It involves the universe and other dimensions and the different things that are in there. So, like I said, more will be coming out in later videos, but I will give you guys kind of a broad overview of what's been going on. This all leads back to parts of Project Paperclip, Mars, the Egyptians, the Jews, and many different things that are happening in our society. And it's all been going on unbeknownst to us humans. And not many people are aware of what's been going on. There are very few that actually know what's been happening with the vegetarians, the vegans, the plantoids. I'm one of those select few that know this, but right now I'm in hiding from the government, trying to, because they don't want us to know what's been going on. They don't want the world, the people, to know what's been happening. with the planetoids, what's been happening across the universe, what the big conspiracy is. They don't want the people to know what's happening. They don't want us to be in the light. They want to keep us in the dark because they want to be able to control us. They want to be able to keep us on a leash, to allow us to stay calm and don't worry about it. Just let it happen. But we can't just let it happen. We have to know what's been going on. The world has to know what's been happening. And that's where I am the outlet to tell you guys the deeds.
Oh, last time. Come take a shower. Give me 1 more minute, okay?
The crazy conspiracies and how all this unravels and how it plays into our society. And I don't want people to think that I'm joking around. I don't want people to think that he's just another one of those make mass panic and make fun and do all this. But you guys don't understand what's going on. You guys don't realize what big of a role this plays into our society, the way we act, in our schools. So this is Anime Otaku signing off. See you guys in the next video.